Melted butter smells so good. Don't you agree? Comment below if you think melted butter smells amazing.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello, welcome back to our channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today at home, I will be cooking. What am I cooking? It's definitely not going to be anything healthy compared to what I made last week. This week is going to be full on fat. It is not healthy, I'll tell you that. It's going to be mac and cheese, chips and chicken. Yep, I said it. And it's all going to go onto one plate on like a tower kind of thing. Not a tower, but you know, like on top of each other basically. So yeah, without any further ado, I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel at MosToosifar. Follow me on Instagram at MosToosifar as well. So now we can begin the show. Right, so ladies and gentlemen, here is our starter pack. We've got an oven tray, a large one, and you got a small one. Guess what? Last time I made food in this, I burnt it. Why? Because I put it on this bad boy and it was hot. And it made, look at that, look at how ugly that looks. I'm embarrassed, don't even look at it. Anyway, what you want to do is get a bag of chips. No more? Alright. Pour it in there like so. Get a little bit more. Just to like, you know, you want to top it up, you know. Full on, yeah? Okay, a little bit more. Alright. You don't want to get carried away. Yep. That is good to go in the oven. Our oven is on preheat at 200 degrees. Put that in there like so. And then you want to get these 4 pieces of chicken. I didn't make these, by the way. This is ready made. Yeah. So there you go. I just hope it fits, by the way. Maybe not. I don't know. If it doesn't fit, it's not a big deal as long as it fits in the tray and it can go in the oven and whatsoever. So yeah, you want to turn that on. Place your pan on top. Pour in some water. This is all going to spill from the bottom. Someone explain to me what's going on. I really don't get it, and I don't like it because it makes a mess everywhere. Okay, what you also want to do is get one of these pans, turn that on, and then what you want to do is grab a nice bit of butter, whack it in there. Wow, that's quite soft actually for butter. Normally butter's quite... Anyway, yeah, that's done. So we're about to open up the pasta. So I haven't had all day and I'm hungry, guys. And sorry, I could be a little bit temperamental at times if I'm hungry, as we all are, you know. So hurry up, get in there, mate. Ain't all day for ya. Right, lovely. Look at that. Give it a little wiggle. Get rid of that. Don't need that. Okay, hurry up with the butter. I did turn you on full heat, right? Yeah. Come on, mate. Today would be nice, but guys, oh my god, can I just say, melted butter smells so good. Don't you agree? Comment below if you think melted butter smells amazing. Absolutely beautiful, right? Get this bad boy going. Right, I'm gonna put this in there now. While this is still melting and it's taking forever, I'm gonna get some flour, just some plain flour, right? Just sprinkle it in there, right? I was gonna use a spoon, but I thought, nah, that's too long. I can't be bothered, Joe. I'll get a little bit more. Yeah? Cool. Now, so there's that. You want to mix it up, if it does mix. If it doesn't, you just want to add a bit of milk to it. Yeah? Pour in that lovely milk. Don't be shy with it. Yeah? Give it a little wiggle. Get the butter to melt. Everything mixing nicely, beautifully. Hesitated saying that word there for a sec. Yep. Give this a little wiggle. Yeah, because we don't want to overcook them. But there you go. Now, this is your lovely, jubbly mac and cheese, as you all can see. Right? There's a bit of butter going on. You want to turn it down ever so slightly. Something just weird went there. But anyway, now, what you like to do is add a bit of salt. Add a bit of pepper. And then you want to get some cheddar cheese, okay? Just dip it all in there. Is there more? Come on. So as if that first portion wasn't enough, we're going to add a little bit more, right? Because it's called mac and cheese. It's got to be cheesy, isn't it? But we're not done yet. See these? These are cheese slices. These are burger slices of cheese. If what I just said made any sense, I ain't got a clue. Cheese pizza. What? Burger cheese, guys. Honestly, I don't know if you can tell I'm really hungry and I'm saying anything or whatever, you know? It's not good. Get it going, mate. Turn it back up a little bit. Give it that heat, give it that love. Spin them, make sure they don't, you know, they don't, what, burn? Get some of that starchy thing in there. Water. Lovely. Get it in there. Yeah? Get that to go a bit down. Make sure you got clean hands, yeah? If you ain't got clean hands, don't come near the kitchen. I don't want to know. Right, one more last bit. I only put so many in because these were the last bits. I just want to get rid of them from the fridge, honestly. But there you go. And then you want to add some more milk. Okay. Mustard. Just a pinch. Right, just to give it a little taste. There you go. Happy days. That is about it, guys. Oh, oh, oh. Somebody made a mess. Somebody's gotta clean it. Yep, and that's gonna be me, ladies and gentlemen. I do the cleaning, I do the cooking. Bada bing, bada boom, you know what I mean? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the water has almost evaporated. I have turned off the heat underneath the curly pastas. What I'm about to do is drain it. Anyway, so, oh boy, here we go again. Always using a small pot. There you go. Look at that. Would you look at that? Now bring it over onto the heat. This is where you want to be gentle with it. You want to turn it on to the lowest heat, just so that there is some heat there. And just gradually and gently, you want to stir it. Right, so ladies and gentlemen, you want to give it a little stir, just to make sure nothing's like burning or sticking at the base of your pan. Okay, look at that, bada bing, bada boom, you know what I mean? Right, that's fine, we're gonna leave that there, still on very like minimal heat, okay? Stick it there so it doesn't fly out. You wanna grab your towel. What we're gonna do, bring out the chicken, that was hot, be careful, right? Get this bad boy. And look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Amazing, amazing. What you want to do is just chop it up. That's what you want to do. Yeah? Chop up the bad boy into little pieces. Okay? Simple. And next, see ya when I wanna be ya. Yeah. Look at that, just like so, right? Are you guys seeing that in the video? Is the angle showing properly? What's going on? What I'm doing? Because you guys gotta try this out. Show. For show, you gotta show this. Try this, y'all. What? Okay. Look at that. Look at our lovely chips, will ya? Right? What does you think? I am not left-handed, so excuse me if a lot of it falls to the ground. I do apologize. Again, I am not left-handed. This is not what I do. So yeah. Oh boy, this is not easy, you know, for me. Using my left hand and that. Okay. I'm not going to fill it up because it is quite filling. So I'm just going to let that be. Put this back in the oven. And now, what you want to do is get some of that chicken. Right? Spread it out. Get some of that chicken, lovely chicken. Look at that. Did one just fall down the side? No, it didn't. That was just you assuming it did, but it didn't. There's that, okay. It would be nice if it all went in the middle, landed in the middle, but you know, it doesn't always go according to plan. So, there you go. Lovely, look at that. Look at that, it's just going all over the place. Nothing's working to your plan, is it? Now, this is where I said I made a lot of mac and cheese, like unexpectedly. Like this is way too much than I thought it would be. Just pour that on top, ladies and gentlemen. Just a little bit more, right? This is what I mean when I say this is proper fattening food. This is nowhere near healthy or anything like that. Top it off, a bit of pepper. Right, and then to give it that nice colour, bit of paprika, and there you go. That right there, ladies and gentlemen, where are we? That is your mac and cheese, chips and chicken. Bon appetit, make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel, guys. I will see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come